Come with me today to do an underarm wax with Sexy Smooth Wax's Cherry Desire. Normally, I'm a tickled pink kind of girl, but wanted to try out this red Cherry Desire wax, so here we are. This is one of the prettier waxes that they have, and it literally smells just like cherries. I'm loving it. My client today, their underarm hair grows in two separate directions, so here I am cleansing, wiping, and then applying the powder. I am going to be laying the wax in both directions just because this client's hair growth is both ways, so here we are applying the wax. And here's the pull. I really do like this wax. It grabs the hair really great, and you can see all of the hair and the follicles on the wax strip there, and then we will lay the next strip. And then I always follow up with a cleanup strip just to grab those little stragglers, because I know it doesn't look like there's any hair left, but we always want to make sure we get them all. Now, I have already done all of my skin prep for this underarm, so their hair grows similar to the other side, so we're going to lay two strips for this side and then go from there. And can we talk about the pull? Because look at the hair and the follicles off of this underarm. That is fantastic. Let's talk about this pull too. Look at all of the hair it grabbed. I always follow my waxes with my post-wax body oil soothe operator, and then we finish up with our client and go about our day.